In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer invoice in a foreign currency in Odoo. We'll go through the full process from checking your currency settings all the way to confirming the invoice, so everything is set up correctly before you send it out. This is especially important when you're billing customers in a currency that's different from your company's default accounting currency, because the exchange rate needs to be accurate for the invoice totals to calculate properly. To begin, open the accounting app. Once you're there, go to Configuration and then Currencies. In this section, you'll want to make sure that both the source currency and the target currency you plan to use are activated. If one of them is not active, it won't be available when you create the invoice, so this is a good first check before doing anything else. Next, open the currency you want to use on the invoice and review its exchange rate configuration. This is the rate Odoo will use to convert the transaction values, so it needs to be current and correct. If the exchange rate is outdated or missing, update it before moving on. Taking a moment to verify this now can help prevent incorrect totals later on. After that, go to Customers and then Invoices. Click New to create a new invoice. Start by selecting the customer you want to bill. Then set the invoice date and the due date according to your billing needs. These dates can affect accounting periods and payment expectations, so make sure they reflect the transaction correctly. Now look for the currency field on the invoice. In this field, select the currency you want to use for this customer invoice. As soon as you do that, check the exchange rate displayed below the currency field. This gives you a quick way to confirm that Odoo is applying the expected conversion rate before you add any invoice lines. Next, open the Invoice Lines tab. This is where you'll enter the products or services you're charging for. Add each item and enter the corresponding amounts. Odoo will automatically calculate the transaction using the selected currency and the exchange rate that has been configured, which saves time and helps reduce manual calculation errors. Before finalizing anything, carefully review the invoice details, including the pricing, currency selection, and the converted amounts. This final review is useful for catching mistakes before the invoice is posted. Once everything looks correct, click Confirm to post the invoice. And that's how to create and confirm a customer invoice in a foreign currency in Odoo.